I'm in Las Vegas, somewhere, in quarantine, getting ready to shoot Shark Tank, in the bubble, as they say.
Cal, start cursing at them now.
No, I'm
They've been quarantined. Start cursing at them now.
Mr. Wonderful, 10 feet high above them all. I'm out.
So anyways, I'm in Las Vegas, somewhere, in quarantine, somewhere, and getting ready to shoot Shark Tank real soon, in the bubble, as they say. So I'm sitting in my hotel room, as I have been, getting tested every 36 hours, going a little crazy. Beautiful hotel room, like beautiful, but still a prison. Give you a little tour of my my little prison here. It's a broadcast studio, really. You can see all these cameras. I can actually broadcast from here. It's very cool. You see all that? It's it's nice. You know, I can't go anywhere. Shark Tank starts season 12. Crazy. We're all here, somewhere in Las Vegas, maybe Henderson. You know, like around, and in the bubble, baby, in the bubble.
So once they're done, can they leave?
Yeah. I mean, they have flights and stuff, so they'll be traveled out, but they're leaving really quickly out here. So this will be their space.
Wow.
Wow.
Talk about social distancing. Shit. Hi there.
Amazing.
So Jillian and their team will be able to grab an entrepreneur and then meet with Kenji for anybody else that needs to talk to them right outside the store.
Great.
Oh, it's the think tank.
Yeah.
Amazing.
Everything else is crazy, but the set looks good.
See how we're all spread out?
Well, the circle doesn't look too spread out.
It looks pretty good.
Circle gets a square.
Does
Did
it
they
look
show
on
you the
camera
little
like it's
area?
wider?
It doesn't. It actually looks like it's closer.
Really?
Yeah.
It looks incredible. You guys did an amazing job. The setup for this.
You're going to
Yeah,
end up using
Brandon-
more tight shots.
Brandon and Alex basically did the lion's share of all this.
Yeah.
It looks good, though.
Yeah.
I'm
It's
very
incredible.
impressed.
Hey everyone, Mindy Zemrak. I'm the head of casting for Shark Tank. We are here in Las Vegas at the Venetian filming season 12. So thankful to the Venetian and their entire team, crew, staff, everyone, our production. Without this, we probably wouldn't be filming. So some things that you're going to see different this year is something that is required is we're all required to wear masks and PPE. So at all times we have to have a mask on. The entrepreneurs take their mask off right before they enter the tank, and then as soon as they're exiting the tank, they're given their mask to put back on. All of the sharks have to put on some sort of mask as well, either the ones that are around their neck or they have to hold it. Some things that are different this year that you're gonna see is that the sharks are all sitting 6.5 feet apart for social distancing, and the entrepreneurs, who typically are 13 feet behind, away from the sharks, are now 21 feet. The other thing that you're gonna see is there's going to be not as many handouts to the sharks, or any, because for safety reasons. So everything is preset by our art department. And then there's also no celebratory congratulations or, anywhere near the sharks. So if someone makes a deal with a shark, then they can air high five them, but the sharks can't come close and they can't go close to the sharks. So we're taking every precaution. We're all tested anywhere from every 3 days or every 4 days or every 5 days, depending on what zone you're in. So everyone here is very, very protective. So I'm gonna go ahead and put my mask back on. But yeah, that's just a couple differences of this season.
Are we certain? And I'm going on Saturday or Sunday, whatever day it was. If you were trying to make sure everybody's clear.
Hello,
I'm just trying to figure out.
Dan. I will not be any closer to you.
Yeah.
How long would you say your
Before you go up,
reach is?
you want to go
My
back?
reach is 35 inches.
So two reaches.
So two
Hold on, I want
reaches.
to double check and see if it'll come down while
You're too close to me, Robert.
Get away from me.
CDC recommends social distancing, 6 feet away from each other. Right now, if work dictates that you have to work close together, that is totally fine. But please do so at a minimum time, okay? No longer than 10 minutes, separate, okay? Of course, we're wearing face masks. You see everybody's wearing face masks. Work dictates if you don't wear face masks, that's totally fine. You have the mask, I see you have the face shields, block anything that's coming around you. All right, sanitizing, if at all possible, please wear gloves. You can see people are wearing gloves. Make sure you're washing your hands. There's a lot of surfaces that are around here. If you catch yourself leaning on those surfaces, when you wash your hands, the next time you wash your hands, make sure you're getting those forearms and elbows, okay? Because we just don't pay attention.
Mindy Casting. I feel like you traveled the world. Were you in Cambodia yesterday?
Okay, so. Yeah. Okay, yeah. So, we're about to shoot season 12 of Shark Tank. We're here on our set, home away from home, and we are being COVID responsible. Yes, Kevin?
Yes.
COVID responsible.
Listen, I happen to know Lori is teeming with death. She's teeming with death.
We are 6 to 8 feet apart. I don't know. I'm really sad because I can't mess with him.
Oh, they were there?
Let's do a little walk on. Ready? Look straight at Mr. Wonderful. There he is.
Cal, start cursing at them now.
No, I'm a
Start,
nice.
they've been quarantined.
it's-
Start cursing at them now.
Number one COVID tip. Retail's down as much as 50% in terms of foot traffic. So you know what you have to do? You have to pivot to digital. You have to set up a website. You have to sell direct to your customer base. That involves understanding how to produce a great 59-second video, lots of terrific photographs of your product or service, and the ability to understand which digital platform to buy ads on. Personally, I recommend Facebook, geo-locked ads, so you can test a region, see if your message works, and then expand nationally. But it's all about direct, baby. Direct. You know why you love that? 100% margin as opposed to paying for retail distribution, which can be as much as 50% of your profits out the window. Go direct, avoid the problems that COVID is putting into distribution and retail.
So the next thing to kick off our premiere, listen, can't thank you guys enough. You should all be proud of what we've accomplished. Again, we're not done yet, but I know at the end of the day we're not going to be able to do this because we're always like, we got to finish right on time. But I want to say, on behalf of myself and you, MGM, Mark Burnett, the team, Sony, ABC, everybody is so grateful. You guys, I'm proud of this accomplishment. Truly, I mean, it's amazing. Don't have time to thank everybody, but I did want to say thank you to everyone. I mean, every person here. The only reason we got through this is because everybody joined in together, right? We all followed the protocols. Everybody did it. We always talk about Shark Tank family. You really saw it during this experience today. So thank you to everybody. Really appreciate it.
If you like that video, wait till you see my next one. Don't forget to click right over here and subscribe.